Mr. Burns.
Yes, sir.
Do that again.
It literally moves all at the collector.
Alright, so we need to crank those down, see what we got going. Because it's got like no hanger. Or it's supposed to have a hanger and it's gone or broken.
Well, no, the hanger. What are you talking about? This spot right here?
Yeah.
No, there's a hanger right here.
Oh, yeah.
So
you just gotta crank the collector down. Okay.
Just figure out where that one sits and hopefully
have at it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah,
so
that'd be cool. Alright, this one's not being very nice.
That's
So
scary.
we made our own kind of.
You doing the rotor slide hammer fun time?
Yep.
Well, that made quick work of that.
Yeah.
Sir.
I knew it would. It's not like some older. Well, I mean, this one. No, a few other cars were like 62, 64.
Yeah,
or
but
something.
this has been a part. Other stuff hasn't.
Yeah, that's very true. Like some of those T-Bird variants. Like cough syrup.
Yeah, you just pick up the blobs.
Yeah, pretty much. What was the last one I did? It wasn't the set. What? Oh, it was the 72, wasn't it? Oh, that one wasn't too bad. That one.
Oh yeah, the 8-inch. That was easy.
Yeah, well, that wasn't. The fluid wasn't too bad in that. Oh, looks like pretty fresh seal in there.
All right, bearing looks good.
Bearing looks good. That's just a stupid
The
bracket.
spacer that you have to have for the spines look good, yeah.
Hey, I forgot about that.
All right, so now Mr. Burns here is gonna get ready to pull the drive shaft out. You see something chunky?
Is there a pin in the middle of that?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just make sure. Yeah, I'm gonna get these U-bolts out and then I'll start working on the diff here.
Nice.
And
Get that out.
yeah, buddy.
Gotta have that out so we know what to tell Curt when we have our power on. No, don't wipe that on me. Has your old lady ever said that to you?
No. Usually because I just give her a cream pie.
Oh God! Don't get it in my hair. Did she ever say that?
No. Nope.
Anyway.
Nope. She was trying to rape me today.
Oh Jesus! That's why you were late.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll allow that excuse.
I'll plead the fifth.
See, you said you turned your alarm off. You should have just said my old lady was trying to get at me, and then be like, I'd be like, excused.
Excused.
Anyway, all right.
Oh, that's gonna be fun.
Oh yeah, you probably got to pull the bar off.
Want the front door?
Yeah, that's fun.
Cereal?
Sway bar's got to probably come off
Oh.
because it's directly located conveniently in your way of taking the pumpkin out.
Oh.
That's easy though, because you just undo the 2 U-bolts.
Mm-hmm.
Or just undo it up here and just let it swing down. Your choice. At your discretion. At your convenience. With that, I'll check back with you in a moment.
Okay.